Okay, to illustrate how easy it is to mount these hinge panels, I'm going to demonstrate with this panel here, which has already been mounted, but I've put some tape over the holes so that you can see what I do. Okay, so the first thing we do is we measure to the center of the hole from the top, from that base there, and you can see that it's 55. Okay, so what we do then, these panels, you can see the rebate here and the rebate there, they overlap the reveal by about 3 millimeters on the top, 3 on the side. So we want to shift this panel, we don't want the panel to sit level with this, we want it to actually sit up here. So I measured 55 to the center of that hole. What I want to do here is measure down 52. So measure down 52. And so draw a line there. And we want to go in, say 7 mil. Around about 7. That's from that edge there, 7 or 8 mil. Fill it out. And then we'd pilot drill, pilot drill the hole. Okay, pilot drill. To take this tape back off, you don't really need it, you've already got holes there from when it was previously mounted. I've already put the screw on the end of a square drive. We use square drive screws because the screws stay on the tip for the most part. Okay, I'm going to lift this panel back up and I'm going to put that screw in. Okay, so that's one screw in, then down the bottom. I'll put the second screw in. This one doesn't have to be pilot drilled. You can find the correct position. Now you'll note that there's a small gap, see up there, there's a small gap between the edge of the panel and the shoulder. I've done that deliberately because the shoulder is actually quite small, so I've moved the panel out a little bit. Okay, so if we close this, we'll find it doesn't align perfectly. You can see how it's a little too high at the top. And at the bottom, just a little bit too high. Okay, so there's a spacer we put in at the top to correct that, largely correct it. First of all, I'll loosen the top screw. Thunderstorm coming. Back open as well. Put this spacer in there. Correct screw is the 2 top ones because this has been adjusted previously. So now when we close it, it should be much more closely aligned, which it is. Okay.